Find out how to check iPhone blocked contacts. If you have blocked any contacts, then how to find it or how to check it on your iPhone. To do so, go to your phone app and here you will see contact. Then go to settings and here tap on phone app, phone settings. Scroll down where various features you will find here and you will find the option blocked contacts. Tap on it and you will see if any available, then you can see here add new. You can add new from here, select any contact and your new. If you want to unblock any contact, then simply tap on it and choose unblock.